Patrick and Pals. Well, I'm back in the 56 Montclair. I'm sorry, not a Montclair, it's a Montclair. And we've got the air box mounted for the air conditioning. Now, this was complicated by the glove box and also by the overdrive switch. Now, the overdrive switch was mounted where this aftermarket oil pressure gauge is mounted. So what Jim did, because you wouldn't be able to get a hold of it, he just swapped places with those. It won't affect the overdrive to be over that far. It'll be a little bit more inconvenient for the driver. The driver would normally reach over here to do it past your knee. You'll have to come underneath your knee to set up the overdrive. But it's a modification that needed to be done in order for him to enjoy the air conditioning. So we've got the box mounted. We've got all the outside mounted. Now we've got to get the hoses routed. You can see there's a hose coming through there. We've got to route it to the back of the box, and then we'll be ready to charge it up and make this Montclair cool. If you've got a 56 Montclair and you want air conditioning mounted, bring it to Pals. See you soon.